welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristen and this is Raising Grace. So today we are going to be doing a clean and undecorate with me. I need to clean up the whole house, basically the whole downstairs, and undecorate for summer, and that way we can get into fall decorating, and that'll be my next cleaning video that comes out. But yeah, so there's a lot to do. Let's get into it. So the first thing I'm going ahead and doing is picking up the living room and just putting away all of the kids' toys.
Wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it light. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, let us on tonight. Got a restless mind, and now I won't let go. So let us be crazy before we are cold. You can take us out, your doubts won't hold us down, 'cause we're gonna light up the sky where we go. Oh, oh. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? Something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it life. And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it life. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, let us on tonight.
And here I'm just laying out a box, and that is what I'm going to be putting all of my summer decor in. And I'm showing that I'm using my lilac scent, Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day, and I just wanted to use that up. I only have a little bit left. I wanted to use that up before I start using my fall scents. So I'm just going to go ahead and dust all the surfaces of the dressers and clean all the knickknacks.
Nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. It's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? It's a remedy, 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 yeah. Drugs and cigarette smoke, is it? The print you wanna leave behind? Get all those cold Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. It's a remedy, remedy, remedy. Yeah, and the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, remedy, remedy. Yeah. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Was it hot for you, baby love? Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Yeah, yeah. Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Yeah, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. There's a remedy, remedy, remedy.
And here I'm just going through my son's hats. I had thrown them all up there and looking at what size they all are, and then I'm gonna put the ones away that we're keeping and put the one that we're not keeping, and with things that we need to get rid of. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm just gonna clean off the dresser and put everything back where it belongs.
Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. It's no remedy, remedy, yeah. I see everything around me changing again and again.
Here I'm just going ahead and tidying up all of the pillows and folding the blanket and putting that all where it belongs and dusting them off.
I feel everything inside me changes over and over again. Can't wait, knowing that our love is wasted, yeah, wasted. We're running blind and we don't know why. Was it really what we had in mind? We're running wild, only losing.
And now it's time to vacuum. There were so many crumbs on the floor from the babies, and yeah, it just really needed it. So it is quite a vacuum sesh that I had going on.
We're out of time, again and again. Thought we'd make it, but we lost in the end. Yeah, yeah, lost in the end. Out of time again. Yeah, we lost in the end. I know living in a lie ain't easy. I don't want it no more. I know one of us is going crazy if we don't let it go. I feel everything inside me changes all over again. Can't wait, knowing that our love is tainted, yeah, tainted. We're running blind and we don't know why. Was it really what we had in mind? Running wild, only losing time. Yeah, we left here without love. We're out of time and time don't wait. We're in heaven but we lost our way. We're out of time again and again. Thought we'd make it but we lost in the end. Yeah, yeah.
And now I'm just taking clothes I had got at a consignment sale in the thrift haul or thrifting, and you guys probably saw the haul that I did of them last week, and I just had to cut off all of the tags and throw them all in the basket to get them ready for the wash. So doing that.
Yeah, we lost in the end. Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it light. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, let us on tonight. Got a restless mind, and now I won't let go.
And the last task that I had to get done today was folding a basket of laundry. So I'm going ahead here and doing that. And this basket was basically a modge podge of everything. It had baby's clothes and my clothes, my husband's clothes. We just kind of piled it up on there. So I had to do that.
Come along with me. Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it light. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, let us on tonight. I'm gonna let my hair down, I'm gonna take control. We're gonna make a big sound, we're gonna break the mold, the mold. And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it life. And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it light. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, let us on tonight.
Here is the finished living room. I think it looks great and just got everything cleaned up and tidied. I'm gonna mop later on today and then it'll be all ready to decorate for fall. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Do you